Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is a question number 27, that means it is from section A. So it is a MCQ type question. Therefore, among these four given options, only one option is correct and we need to find that. So let's see what is in this question. We are given a random sample of size n from uniform theta minus 0.5 to theta plus 0.5 distribution, where theta is a real number and x order 1 and x order n are defined as minimum of x1 x2 xn and maximum of x1 x2 xn respectively. Then which one of the following estimators is not a maximum likelihood estimator of theta? Okay, so let's try to solve this. Given that xi's are uniform theta minus 0.5 to theta plus 0.5. Okay, therefore the PDF of xi is f of xi is equals to 1 by theta plus half minus theta minus half, where xi's are in between theta minus half to theta plus half. Then it reduces to 1 by theta plus half minus theta plus half, that means 1, where xi's are theta minus half to theta plus half. Okay, the joint PDF of xi is defined as f of x curve, and it is equals to 1, where x curves are theta minus half to theta plus half, or we can write that x order 1 comma x order n is in between theta minus half to theta plus half, or we can write theta is in between x order n minus half to x order 1 plus half. Hence the MLE of theta is a linear combination of x order n minus half and x order 1 plus half, where x order n is the maximum of x1 x2 xn and x order 1 is the minimum of x1 x2 xn, and here alpha must be a fraction. Now let's choose alpha is equals to half. Okay, hence the MLE of theta reduces to half x order n minus half plus half x order 1 plus half. That means x order n divided by 2 minus 1/4 plus x order 1 divided by 2 plus 1/4, which reduces to x order n plus x order 1 divided by 2. Okay, now let's choose alpha is equals to 1/4. As we can see, therefore the first option is a MLE, hence it is not our correct option. Now alpha is equals to, if alpha equals to 1/4, then the MLE reduces to 1/4 x order n minus 1/8 plus 3/4 x order 1 plus 3/8. Hence it is equals to x order n divided by 4 plus 3x order 1 divided by 4 plus 1/4. Hence we can write that 3 into x order 1 plus x order n plus 1 divided by 4. As we can see, the option 2 is also a MLE, hence it is also not our correct option. Now if we choose alpha is equals to 3/4, then the MLE reduces to 3/4 x order n minus 3/8 plus 1/4 x order 1 plus 1/8, and this reduces to 3/4 x order n plus 1/4 x order 1 minus 1/4, or we can write x order 1 plus 3x order n minus 1 whole divided by 4. So the option 3 is also a MLE of theta, then it is also not our correct answer. Hence it must be the D, which is our correct option, but for convenience we check it. Now if we choose alpha is equals to 3/2, then the MLE reduces to 3/2 x order n minus 3/4 minus half x order 1 minus 1/4. Hence half into 3x order n minus x order 1 minus 2. As we can see that this reduces to the MLE of theta if we choose alpha equals to 3/2, but the condition is alpha must be a fraction, that means in between 0 to 1, but in here alpha is greater than 1, so this is not our MLE. Okay, hence we can say that D is the correct answer. So we have solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.